Hi friends, this is Charan Gopi Krishna. Now I am going to explain about preprocessor in C. Definition of preprocessor. A preprocessor is a program that processes our source program before it passes it to the compiler, and the preprocessor works on the source code and creates expanded source code. And the preprocessor offers several features called preprocessor derivatives. Each of these preprocessor derivatives begin with a symbol called hash. The derivatives can be placed anywhere in the program, but most often placed at the beginning of the program before of the function definition. This is the flowchart how it works. First C program, and next preprocessor, and expanded source, and next compiler. The preprocessor derivatives are extended before compilation. There are various steps, means various preprocessor derivatives, mostly for ma- macro expansion and file inclusion condition and conditional compilation and visualization derivatives. Now let us look them. Macro expansion. A macro expansion. A macro is a fragment of code which has been given a name. Wherever the name is used, it is replaced by the context of macro. There are two kinds of macros which are follows: object like macro, function like macro. Here the object like macro resembles data object and function like macro resembles function calls. First, object like macro. The object like macro is an identifier that is replaced by the value. It is widely used to represent numerical constants, and it is called object like because it looks like a data object in a code that uses it. As defined means it is defined as defined in the identifier replacement text. Here have the example. This is the C coding, and here we use as defined into x4, and void main and int a equals to x is the identifier and 4 is replacement text. After replacement we will get the output. And another example, here as defined pi 3.14. 3.14 is a substitute and pi is the identifier. Here float, we use the float because of pi is 3.14. Area formula pi r square, pi into r. After print, area equals to area of the circle equals to percentage f comma area. After placing the value of r equals to 6.14, you will get the area as output. Note: to create a macro with the as defined derivatives, the syntax for macros is as defined macro, macro expansion, replacement list. As defined derivatives can be used as follows. It can be used to define operatives like as defined and caption k and symbols of and second one is as defined or capital or and two lines. Secondly, function like macro. It looks like a function call and can be defined with the hash defined derivatives, but with a pair of branches of or parentheses immediately after the macro name. For example, as defined area into 3.14 into r into r. Macro with arguments. Function like macro can be taken argument just like two functions. This is the example. According to this example, um, this example says the number, what is the number between two numbers. uh, as per the input, the output is 10, because in input we have given minimum between 10 and 20. Output is 10. The difference between macro and function. A macro in a macro call, the preprocessor replaces the macro templates with its macro expansion only, whereas in functional calls it controls is passed to a function alone with certain arguments. Some calculations are performed in the functions, and a useful value is returned back from the function. If we use a macro 100 times in a program, the macro expansion goes into the source code at 100 different places, thus increase the program size. On the other hand, if a function is used, then even if it is called from 100 different places in the program, it would take some the amount of space in the program, thus making the program smaller and compact. File inclusion. It is used to include one file into another file, or it is simply caused the entire content of the file of one file to be inserted into the source code of another file. We use file inclusion for following reasons. First one, we have if we have a very large program, the code is best divided into several different files, each containing a set of related functions. These files are then included at the beginning of main program file. There are some commonly needed functions and macro definitions that can be stored in a file, and that file can be included in various programs we write, which would add all these statements in this file to our program, as if we have typed in. The ways to write include statement is as include, first of is file name, and we can write as brackets file name. Preprocessor operators. In C preprocessor offers the following operators to help create macro. First one, the macro continuation operator. A macro is normally confined to a single line. The macro continuation operator is used to contain a macro that is too long for a single line. The string number sign operator. Second one, the number sign operator means hash, when used within a macro definition, converts a macro parameters into a string constants. This operator may be used only in a macro having a specified arguments or parameter list. For example, here the input given is as defined, say m, and print f hash m, void main and clr css and brackets, say hello get h, and brackets. Here as we given m firstly, and lastly we have given hello. Then as per the condition we will get output as hello. Third one, the token pasting, the token pasting operator. The token passing operator within a macro definition combines two arguments because here two hash symbols are used. It permits to separate tokens in the macro definition to be joined into a single token. Conditional completion. These allows us to include certain portion of the code depending upon the output of constant expression, and the if defined preprocessor derivative checks if macro is defined by hash defined. If yes, it executes the code, otherwise else the code is executed if present. This is the example for it. And the here hash define num is 10, number is 10, and define another macro if macro number is defined. If and next line hash if def num, and next hash define max 20, and here printf max number is percentage %d and max. From the 20, from 10 means given input is 10 numbers, in that the maximum number we have to give as output. As in input we have given max hash defined max is 20, so the maximum number is 20 as output. If and diff derivatives. It is a preprocessor derivatives checks if macro is not defined by hash define. If yes, it includes the code, otherwise as else code is executed in present. Hash program derivative. The hash program derivative is used to provide additional information to the compiler. The derivative is used by the compiler to offer mechanical, machine, or operating system features. Error derivative. The error derivative means the error preprocessor derivative indicates error. The compiler gives fault error, then the hash error derivatives is found and skips the further completion process. Thank you.